I'm just doing the post-market analysis. Today is 24th June, and yet another disaster trading which I did. It's not about whether I have the knowledge, it's about not able to implement what I know. So let's just do that so that I record and see how it goes. 9:30. So I'm picking up the support and resistance. First support. So I'll just draw the horizontal line, put the values inside that. Okay, why it's not working? Yeah. So let me just put the value. So here it is there. Now I need to put the resistance value. So let's just do the markings. So currently the market is still on. Okay. Since I could not do anything entire day, I said what I'm going to do, in the last few minutes. So I just started this. Okay. And then take the support also. So just marking the support. Support, here we go. This is the support levels. So I'm just taking all the support resistance values and just drawing the horizontal line. Okay, here things have got completed. What I'll do is I'll cut the data so that we'll be able to run the data. I don't know, allow, yeah, it's allowing. Okay, but since the market is currently running, so straight away come to about 9. Okay, yeah, here we go. It came to 9:27, and at the 9:27, next candle will be 9:30. Okay, so this is the next candle, and here this is the exact level in which the P could have been bought, but I don't trade by 9:30, so as per the rule, this trade is not there. Anyway, at the 9:30, what's the data suggest? The PCR data suggests that it is kind of taking support here, but not to the high of the day. So, and resistance shifted from top to bottom. So the resistance level is 446, which is this, which actually it reversed from there. Now from here, what is next level? This is 1.16. And so if it comes to the support right here, will not be able to trade this. Reason being, this has to be 1.2. 1.2 and above the PCR is bullish, and less than that is bearish. So we would also need this level, right? Which is this. Okay, got it. So this is our support level, which the market currently it is there right now. Okay. 397. There we know that its market is not going to stop there. Now the market is going to stop at this level. So a C from here can be taken because it is 1.99. Now what happened? Market went up. Now 933. Let's go to the data of 933. At the 933 data, what does the data suggest? Now, if we have to take a PE from here to the down, which we would not do, rather wait for the price to come here to take a C. Okay. Now this is a place one can initiate a C. So it's 939. So let's say 939. 939. The data is correct. So there is no problem with the data. So we can do that. Okay. So from here, you can take a trade and the target is done. Maybe the next candle, the next candle, the target is done. What I did, I took a C here, which was completely against the rule. And this is the target number 1. So trade number 1 today, how it went. But one thing I'll tell you, the day I'm able to execute this, I'll be the started. All these days, I don't know how to find out now market I'm able to understand, and there is a clarity of the moment. But then, yes, now 9:45. Let's go to the 9:45 candle and see what the data suggests. Let's look at what the PCR is saying. It is in the downtrend. So from here, you can take a PE, right? If you want, you can take a PE from here, subject to this is this resistance only, right? 442, 442. Oh no, 442. I'm looking at if this is bearish, which is that means I can take from 993. 993, which is somewhere 993. So there is some data point issue here. Okay, here we go. So I could take a P from here, which I took. Right now, I'll show you the mistake. Mistake was that this candle closed well above the level, well above the level. So price action didn't confirm for me because this is the second time it's happening. And any such retracement on the support, absolute support, there is no problem. But here I took and the price went up. And here also I had an opportunity to exit. It gave me opportunity to exit here. Okay. But then I could not understand at that point of time. So 9:48. So let's look at the data now. 9:48, what it is saying. Still it is bearish, but price is not confirming. So I was sticking on saying that it's bearish, so it should come up or something. And then the next candle went and hit the target, which was the stop loss. Okay, so I had to cut this entire loss, which there was no trade at all. Now here, once we go to 9:54, what does the data suggest? The data suggests now it's bullish, but then we want the day high to be crossed. So waited there for some time. The candle also reversed from there. Okay. Now has this happened? Couple of more clicks. So the reversal means they're halfway, kind of reversal. Now the candle tried to close above that. That is a 10:09. So let me go to the 10:09 and see what is the data saying. The data is saying that now it's ready to take off little more. So now this we are taking at 450 support. So if you are taking at 450 support, for which this has to be 1.2 and this has to be with the day high. Right now those conditions are not met and the price also has to close above that. So it took some time for it to to be dallying there. And then I think somewhere here, let's see, 10:21, 10:21, 10:21, 10:21. And here again, let me check this data, whether the day high has been crossed. Yes, the day high has been crossed. So that the price also got closed above that. So trade was initiated at the C. So this was the second trade. And the mistake trade was here, not waiting for the confirmation. Mistake trade. Okay, this is a mistake trade which got stopped out. And here everything was good. So the target is here. So the trade went and just hit the target comfortably. Okay, I think this value need to be adjusted. That is 93, right? Or 93. And that's the reason we are not seeing. Actually, it hit the target very clearly. Here we go. Okay, it hit the target and target was booked. And so trade number one, I made one mistake here, incurred loss, and this I didn't take. And the trade number two, so two mistake trades I took. This I exited pretty fast, but this, by the time I could even think, it went up. And trade number two got stopped. So two stop out trades, and one winning trade and I had one more winning trade from here. That means actually the market, if I have traded correctly, that is one winning, two winning, three winning. So 90 points approximately I could have booked, and I went with a loss of 15 points. Okay. So it closed above this. I'll just go to this point, which is 11 o'clock. 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Right away to 11 o'clock. Yeah, this is 11 o'clock. So now, this right now I'm trying to take it from 500 support. 93, for which the condition was this. Sorry, 23,450 should be 1.2 on above, which is 1.6. So absolute condition, and the price closed above. I initiated a trade here, and that trade just in a matter of few minutes it got triggered, and this level line level, I think I'm not copied it correctly, so I need to just adjust it once. Okay, done. So the target is done. So this is the trade number 3. So the market, what it gave was, it's a 90 point clear trade, and by this time when I come, this is already at 70, and if I have to trade now, I have to trade 550 level, and 550 level PCR is also at my, so I need to wait for this price to close above. So I was waiting, and what happened by about 11:30, somewhere nearing 11:30, I go, this OI change became, yeah, here we go, 80-20. So once this happens, extreme condition, what we call the OI change extreme condition, 80 plus. So once it now the P has done 80 plus, that means they'll be rewinding from here. So this is 56 was the level, and market is at 10 points away. So obviously I could not take this trade. So this trade was not there, but then this trade was there. This trade which came at 11:45. So one of the rule condition is very clear: until this is 1.2, irrespective of whatever happens in the world, one can initiate the trade from here. So this became trade number 4. Okay. So here it's a trade number 4, which I think worked in within few minutes. That's it. Done. Now, once we come back at 12:03, whatever. Now, irrespective of whatever the conditions we are seeing in the market, you could take one PE because it's 80-20, and 80-20, one PE from here. I could not take this because there was a lot of fear. Reason being, let me explain that. So this I felt is okay logically, because there was support shifted from bottom to top, resistance from bottom to top, and then resistance again trying to become big towards top here. But this OI change is still holding at the same level, which is 23,400. So technically, the resistance has not shifted. So since it has not been shifted, this analysis I could not, I got to know about this little later, but yes, this analysis could have been done. So this P from here would have been a good piece of work. But yes, but I think it took long time for it to hit the target. Reason being, there was a bullish pressure, and there was an unwinding because of extreme conditions of see, it's very easy now when I click and do, but in the real market, yeah, here. So 248. Straight away, let me go to the 248, 245. Let me go, and then let's just jump into a few more steps. So here what happened, this is 1.2. Again, the condition was valid, and the trade from here. So fourth trade, and trade number market it was. And how pathetically I have done this market. I don't what else should be a good market to me? So 5, 6. So trade number 6 from here, easy go, and you just hit the target. That's it. The target was done. Now the target was done at about 309. So 6 trades, and average, if you take 30 points each trade, 30 into 6, 180 points to 200 points. If you perfectly take the target, that was pretty easy day. With 180 point, I'm going with a negative of 15 points. This is okay. Let me just see where the market closed finally. Now still 320, exactly at the levels. There is nothing. Market is so structured that it's pretty easy for people to easily, trade and make money. But I'm not still making money. Okay, with that note, I will just stop this recording. And it was a pretty easy market, so the post market got over so fast. Yeah. So 1 week plus, it's, let's say, 6th day or 6th day, like that, and still I have not trading my potential at all. In fact, I'm not trading anywhere close to this potential at all. So let's see how it goes. Then I'll become a successful trader or I'll fall apart. And this video sometimes can be a history of a unsuccessful trader, or it can be a history of a highly successful trader. That only time will tell. And every day, what I'm spending on the market whole day, and then getting to understand that I'm not made any money is really putting the moral down. And that's exactly what I'm feeling right now. I'm recording my feelings at this. So people, know that trading is like gurus, market gurus is these coaches, and there's actual feeling of a real trader, which I'm feeling it. Thank you. With that, I'll stop.